This box represents sticking with something long enough to see it finished. It's about the writing, yes, but it's also about that finished product, that sticking with it, that thing that we're all working toward. This is my 36th book, I think, but I still am so excited every time I get to open a box filled with my new books. So here we go. This came in the mail. And I broke my wrist. I didn't break my hand. I broke my wrist Friday and was in the ER and struggling all weekend. So we are just now opening it.
Tell them how you broke your wrist. That's on that. I do want to know.
Oh, you need to get in the camera. This is my assistant right now. Yeah, avoiding the ice by walking on the side of the driveway in the leaves and the slush because the driveway was full of ice and I slipped anyway on a rogue piece of ice. Fell and broke my wrist.
Well, so, how many places did it break?
Three places. It broke in 3 places, and I have to have surgery, we think.
Okay. Sure.
All right. Here are my books.
Okay, drum roll. That's my version of a drum roll. Okay. What do you got? What is it?
Yes, look. Can you flip this up? All Houses, Spells, and Secrets. Ooh, hardcover and soft cover. Wow. Ooh, let's look at the hardcover. Wow, this is exciting. I can't even turn the pages. You would do that, assistant.
Okay. How's that?
Look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
That is impressive. Oh,
and look, oh, there's about the author, Ivy Cassidy. That would be me.
Look at that, Ivy.
Awesome. Yay. Go order. Pre-order now.